Hey guys, I'm John with Hops and Brews, and today we're going to be checking out Dogfish Head's Pumpkin Ale. This beer comes in at a 7% ABV, 820 IBUs, and gets an average rating on Untappd of 3.74. A full-bodied brown ale with smooth hints of pumpkin and brown sugar. We brew our pumpkin ale with pumpkin meat, brown sugar, and spices. As the season cools, this is the perfect beer to warm up with. Okay, they say this is a brown ale. It actually doesn't really look like a brown ale. It looks just more like an unfiltered pale. Yeah, it borders. Spice notes, not super like pumpkin pie, but there are spice notes. You definitely taste that this is a yam beer. You taste like cinnamon and nutmeg kind of a thing, that cloviness. You can taste like pumpkin. It's not sweet. I wouldn't say there's a brown sugarness to this. When you say brown sugar, I always think pumpkin pie. This is like pumpkin spice aromatics with like some brown ale to it. Even though it doesn't kind of look like a brown ale. But overall, at 7%, this is actually a very good beer. It's a little pricey in my thought for this beer in the Northwest, but maybe locally for you, it's cheaper, but $3.50 here. But overall, it's considered one of the better pumpkin ales out there that's released every year. So if you're looking for a not so sweet, but it still has that pumpkin spice fall flavor to it, that's a pretty decent kick. Dogfish Head's Pumpkin Ale. Go check it out. Cheers.